Hi, my name is Ray Miller, and I'm the director of the Professional Golf Management Program here at Ohio State. And this is Basic Golf Club Design and Repair. This is a hybrid course which is open to all students at the university. Lectures and quizzes are online, and the lectures we cover all aspects of basic golf club design, current manufacturers, and how those designs affect the ball flight and performance of you when you actually play the game of golf. Another part of this class is a hands-on lab component where you will learn a number of different skills, all related to how you can fix or build golf clubs. Some of the skills you will learn in here include putting a new grip onto a club, how to remove a head from a shaft which is either broken or you just want to change shafts, and then also how to cut the shaft to the proper length for your particular swing. After you learn all of these skills, by the end of class you will have built your own golf club. And this is a club that you'll be able to take home with you and practice and play with out on your home course. And this club will be built to your own personal specifications.